Transferring data to a new iPhone 15 on iOS 17 or 17.0.1 can sometimes fail, causing delays and confusion. This guide explains common causes and offers 10 solutions to complete the transfer easily, whether you're a beginner or experienced. Part 1. Why you're unable to complete data transfer for iPhone 15. Unstable network connection, insufficient storage, low battery, outdated software, data issues, transmission interruption. Part 2. Fix data transfer canceled on iPhone in 9 easy ways. Way 1. Insert SIM card to source phone. If the source iPhone is new and not yet activated, insert a SIM card to activate it. This may help restart the migration process after setup. Way 2. Charge both devices. Data transfer between phones can take time. Ensure both phones have at least 80% battery. To avoid the iPhone data transfer canceled, keep them at least 50% charged during the transfer and ideally plugged into power for the best results. Way 3. Toggle on Bluetooth. To use Quick Start for data transfer between iPhones seamlessly, ensure Bluetooth is activated on both Apple devices. Access the control center and tap the Bluetooth icon if it's grayed out. Way 4. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open Settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Select a new Wi-Fi network and connect to it. Restart the data transfer now. You can reset your iPhone's network settings to fix connectivity issues, which clears saved Wi-Fi networks and cellular settings. Way 5. Update iOS. Updating your iOS version to the latest iOS version can resolve compatibility issues to a large extent, especially when transitioning to a new iPhone 15 with iOS 17.02. Way 6. Boot iPhone into DFU mode. Connect your iPhone to a computer, open Finder or iTunes. Press volume up, then volume down. Hold the side button until the screen goes black. Hold both buttons for 5 seconds, release side, and keep holding volume down for 10 seconds. The screen stays black, and Finder or iTunes detects your iPhone in DFU mode. Restore it to fix the issue, then exit. Way 7. Restart your devices. Way 8. Restore data from iCloud backup. If your old iPhone is backed up to iCloud and both devices use the same account, restore data during setup. Connect to Wi-Fi, select Restore from iCloud backup, sign in, and finish the setup. Re-enter passwords if needed. Way 9. Get files from iTunes backup. Turn on your new iPhone and go to Apps and Data. Select Restore from Mac or PC. Connect your iPhone, open iTunes, select your device, and click Restore Backup. Choose the backup, enter your password if needed, and wait for it to finish. Part 3. iPhone transfer not working? Try a professional tool trouble-free. Quick Start and Move to iOS constrain mobile systems and may not meet expectations. For reliable transfers, use Mobican Transfer for mobile. Trusted by many, it ensures fast, lossless transfers while protecting privacy. Step 1. Installation. Begin by downloading, installing, and launching this program on your computer. Connect both iPhones to your computer using USB cables. When prompted by a pop-up message asking if you trust this computer, select Trust. Step 2. Verification. After establishing the connection, the software will automatically identify the two devices, labeling one as Source iPhone and the other as Destination iPhone. You have the option to click Flip to designate the new iPhone as the destination device. Step 3. Transmission. In the center of the interface, select the desired data types, and then click on Start Copy to initiate the data to the recipient right now.